Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 8 of our daily yoga fix. So I hope you're beginning to feel the benefits of this wonderful daily practice. We are over halfway through our program, so do keep going, keep breathing deeply and continue to do the best you can for your mind, body and soul. So we shall begin in a comfortable seated position. Do make sure that you have plenty of place to practice and that you are well hydrated. And if you need anything to support your body, you might need a blanket, a couple of bricks or blocks, cushions. Do have those things to hand, and we shall make a start. So sitting nice and tall. Take a long inhale as you lengthen. Exhale to release the shoulders. And then bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. We'll open with the vibration of Om. Take a breath in. Om. So with the eyes closed, gently rest the hands down, gently bow the head. And begin to feel a deep connection with the breath as you observe how you're feeling in body, mind, and flow of the emotions. And taking these initial moments of mindfulness to tune in and to be aware of the connection between the body, mind, and breath. And then taking a deep breath in. Exhale and gently open the eyes. So from this position, just take the fingertips back behind you. If you're sitting on the chair, just take hold of the back leg or the side of the chair. Fingertips, roll the shoulders forward. And then on the inhale, just gently lift the chest. And then exhale, just gently release. Let's do a gentle mobilization. That's it. Inhale, lift the chest. You might even look up, open the throat. Exhale, release. Do one more. Inhale, lift the chest. So you can stay here, hold and breathe. Lift the chest, or you can round back down. See how you feel. And then exhale, coming back down. From this position, transition the fingertips forward. You might use bricks underneath the fingertips. Inhale, lift the chest, and exhale, just walk yourself forward, nice and easy into a forward bend. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, walk it forward. So you might go a bit deeper. If you're in the chair, you can rest your belly on the thighs, let go of the head wherever you are. Sending some deep breaths into the lower back. As you relax the shoulders, feel free to fold all the way down if you wish to. Breathe in deeply, one more breath. And then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale as you bring everything back up. Exhale. From here, stretch out the legs in front of you and just lift the toes. So nice active legs. We'll mobilize from here. So inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, kind of roll the body forward. So this is a dynamic Paschimottanasana. Inhale, lifting up. Good. Exhale, rolling forward. Good. Do one more of these. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, rolling forward. And then inhale, come back to center. You can cross the ankles and just make your way through to an all-fours position, however is best. In your chair, just bring the hands to rest on the lap and then inhale. Exhale, just have a nice easy sway from side to side. So continue to warm up and mobilize. Good. And then from here, inhale, come to center. Rock the weight forward, spread the fingers, tuck the toes. Exhale and push back into downward dog. And then inhale, bring the knees down. Keep the toe tuck if you can, lift the chest. Good, so you can do this with the hands on the lap if you're in the chair. Exhale, tuck under, squeeze the pelvic floor, reach the heels back to downward dog. If you're in the chair, just reach the legs forward. And then inhale, knees down, lift the chest, draw the shoulders back. Good, we'll do one more. Exhale, tuck under, squeeze the pelvic floor, lift to downward dog. Inhale, knees come down and lift the heart space forward. Good. From here, exhale, come to neutral spine, release the toes. Keeping the left hand down, On the inhale, step the right leg back, and exhale, square the foot to the back of the mat. Weight bearing, inhale, lift the right arm up as we come to Ardha Vasisthasana, or half side plank with the knee down. If this is too much on the left hand, just squeeze through the armpit. But if it's too much, just bring the forearm down. Make sure that the joints, the bones are stacked. Good. From here, inhale, exhale, circle the arm back, and then inhale to circle forward. Exhale, circling back. If you're on the chair, you hold the side of the chair and then do that big side stretch as you stretch one leg out to the side. Good. We'll do one more. Inhale, reach all the way up. Exhale. So now we go for a little hold. Inhale. This time just stretch forward as you push back through the heel. Firm the inner thigh, breathing, feeling. See if you can smile. Good. And exhale, releasing all the way down, back to an all fours position. Inhale, exhale, sink back into Utthita Balasana, extended child. Just let go for a few breaths here. Soften the shoulders, maybe close the eyes. Feel the back of the body releasing from the chair. Just fold over the legs, let the head dangle. And then on the inhale, we'll come back through to an all fours position. And we'll repeat this to the opposite side. Exhale, pressing the right hand down. Inhale, step the left leg back. Exhale. Inhale, floating the top arm up as we come to side plank on the other side. Stabilize. If you feel wobbly, just walk your foot further forward, no problem. Exhale, circling back. Inhale, circle forward. Tighten through the armpit. Exhale, really support your body. Good. Inhale, for that lovely stretch. Exhale. The last one. Inhale. Good. Then we go for the hold. Exhale. Inhale. Reach the fingertips forward. Reach. Press into the back heel. Stay strong. Keep breathing. Good. And then exhale. Bring the arm down. Come back to tabletop. Inhale. Exhale. This time bring the arms by the side of the body into Balasana. Relax and release. You might give the fingers a wiggle. Press the backs of the wrists into the floor. Softening. Allowing the back of the body to open. Good. From here, inhale, slide the hands forward. Exhale. Now lifting up onto the toes. Inhale. And then exhale. Kind of walk yourself back until you arrive on a little perch. So feet can be together. You might need to support your heels, or you might just enjoy the challenge of that balance, bringing the hands into prayer position. If you're in the chair, you'll just be sitting up here with the hands in prayer position, leaning forward slightly. Good. So any of those positions is fine. If you need to be higher up standing, that's okay also. Just remember to take a break. It's quite strong on the thighs. From here, inhale, squeeze the thighs towards each other. Exhale, little twist to the left. Good. Lift the chest towards the thumbs as best you can. Good, keep breathing. Squeeze the legs together. Relax the shoulders. That's great. From here, a little challenge. Inhale. See if you can lift the prayer hands up. And then exhale, take the arms out to the side. So open the palms, upward facing palms. Inhale. If it's too wobbly, it's okay. Just come back. Exhale. Just start again if you fall out. See if you can glide the head to the back towards the back hand. Good. And then inhale back to center. Exhale. Inhale, bring the hands down. Exhale, lift the sitting bones and straighten out to your own measure as we come to Uttanasana, nice forward fold. That should feel nice. Just feel you're releasing the back of the legs. Know that the legs can still be bent, that's okay. Walk the hands to wherever they feel best. Relax the shoulders, relax the head. A few deep breaths. And then inhale, come back down. Good, onto your perch maybe, onto your chair. Or you may lift up into the balance. Good, press the palms together. And from here, we'll turn to the opposite side. So inhale, exhale, press the palms together, turning to the right side, drop the shoulders. Big inhale, lift the chest, tuck the lower abdominals in. Exhale, that's it. Just do your best. Enjoy the practice. That's great. If you fall out, just start again. And then inhale, you might lift the prayer hands up. Exhale and just open the palms to the side. Keep squeezing the legs together. Stabilize through the low body. Good. Drop the shoulders. Inhale. See if you can maybe look over the shoulder. I'm wobbling too. It's okay. Just enjoy it. And then exhale. Bring the hands back to prayer. Inhale to center. Exhale, hands come down. Float the heels towards the floor and then just allow yourself to dangle. So walk the feet to about hip distance. Just fold forward. You might come to caveman hands just to release the wrists. If you're on the chair, or you can do the caveman hands in the lap. You can do that from standing also. Good. Take the best option for your body. Relax and release. Breathing, dangling, feeling. And then from here with the feet either hip distance or together, inhale, sit back to Utkatasana chair pose. Exhale, squeeze the glutes. Good. Inhale, press through the heels as you lift all the way up. And exhale. From here, bring the hands to the hips and just take a step out to the side as we come to a wide angle. Nice. So come into Prasarita Padottanasana. From this position, we're going to do C variation. So inhale, breaststroke the arms back. Interweave the fingers or take hold of the wrists. Roll the shoulders forward. Make sure the feet are parallel so the toes aren't splaying out or facing forward. Good. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, begin to hinge from the waist, folding to your own measure. And then you can relax the head. You can bend the knees. You exhale, you might fold a bit further. Just see what your body allows. No rush, no force. It might be you float the hands away from the sacrum towards the floor. Just see. Make sure the neck is free, the head is relaxed. Squeeze the inner thighs. Good. And then squeeze the inner thighs on the inhale to slowly come up wherever you got to. Exhale as you arrive. Keep the legs wide, unclasp the hands. Inhale, scoop the palms of the hands up, lift the chest. And exhale as you bring the hands down through Anjali Mudra. Lovely. From here, inhale, pivot to face the front. Exhale, bring the hands down, pivot on the back foot. Inhale, step back into plank or knees down plank, your choice, holding. If you're in with the knees lifted, squeeze the glutes, push out of the shoulders, draw the lower abdominals in, keep pressing and lifting, that's it. Push out through the heels. And then exhale, so you can make your way down to seated, however is best. Bring the left heel in towards the groin as you stretch the right leg out. From here, so coming into the Janu Sirsana variation. If this bothers the knee, then just stretch the left leg all the way forward, no problem. Or if it's quite high up, you might just introduce some support between the knee and the floor. From here, inhale, rotate to face that left knee. Good. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and just walk the right hand towards the inside of the leg. Good. Other hand can come to the hip. Nice, easy side release. Keep hold of the pelvic floor and try and roll the top shoulder open. You might lift the head, or you might just look straight ahead, or you might look down. So just do what feels best on your neck. Good. If it feels therapeutic, you might swoosh the top arm across. Feel that big stretch. Breathe into the resistance. Drop the shoulders. That's it. Good. And then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Guide the knee back in on the inhale. Exhale, we change sides. Inhale, or the knee comes in and drop the heel out. So if you're in the chair, you just step the leg out to the side and just stretch the front leg forward. Good, that's it. From this position, inhale. Exhale again, turn to face the knee. Inhale, exhale, and just bring the fingertips to the inside of the foot, and the other hand to the hip. Find the breath. Squeezing Mula Bandha. Roll the top shoulder open. Good. And just feel what you can feel. No judgment. There's a reason we're practicing yoga. Usually we're pretty tight. We've got tense areas. We can feel resistance, but we can make peace with that resistance. Again, you have the option to swoosh the arm across if you wish. And choose your drishti. So choose where you wish to look. Gaze softly. Breathe deeply. Nice. And then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale to come back up. And exhale. From here, we come to easy cross-leg position if you wish, Sukhasana, or just stretch the legs out. Bring the feet to the floor firmly if you're in the chair. Bring the hands to Chin Mudra. First finger touches the thumb. Big inhale. Exhale. Drop the chin towards the chest. The breath in the nostrils. Big inhale. Exhale. So in Padmasana, just integrating the practice. One more breath. Big inhale. Exhale. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Take a breath in. Exhale, we bow the head to say thank you for our health and the practice. And then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So well done. That's day 8. Tick. Very well done. I hope to see you for day 9. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.